Not every chief executive gets to mix business with pleasure, but Ivo Boscarol has built an entire company around his passion for flight. Pipistrel is a truly pioneering business that has achieved success against the odds. In 1987, it became the first private aircraft producer in the former Yugoslavia. Until then, alternative flying was illegal, and the first step was to actually change the country's law.
We were forced to go to our authorities, propose them to change the rules and to accept a new way of flying. And yes, it was hard, but step by step we were successful, and finally I got my license like a first private producer of aircraft in former Yugoslavia, and I was able to produce and later also to export the aircraft.
Today the business exports its aircraft globally to more than 40 countries, but the journey to success required both determination and a firm belief in innovation. It takes years to design, test and certify an aircraft. The company spent a decade investing time and money in developing a number of new and innovative models, all of which are based on the efficiency and aerodynamics of a glider.
When we start developing a new aeroplane, we actually take a look at what all can be achieved by the shape itself. This is where we come from. And we play with it, optimize it so long until we believe that's it. We've really hit the wall of what's possible with today's technology, and also a different way of thinking when we approach to aerodynamics. Then we turn to the inside, to the engine that the aeroplane is going to be using, the other systems, passenger comfort and so forth. So we try to make the aeroplane fly well for what it is. It's an aeroplane, it's not something that's bolted to the engine and it flies because of that.
Pipistrel has continually reinvested its capital into research and development, and as a result, in 2006 developed the world's first side-by-side two-seater self-launching glider. It has since taken this concept further with the Taurus Electro, the first electrically propelled two-seater aircraft in the world.
Developing something different is a risk, but it's the only way to survive, or let's say for a small company like we are, it's a must to be different and to go with this risk. Otherwise, the others, which has for sure more chances, more money, are for sure in advantage against us.
Pipistrel's aircraft require less energy to fly. They have a greater range, but only need a small engine, so make less noise. This innovation has been recognised by numerous awards, including world record flights and the NASA Challenge for the best aircraft.
Our driving motto is to present something new and jaw-dropping every 4 years, approximately. This is the cycle that we do. Most other producers stick with the same product for 10, 15, even 20 years, but we want to be different. We want to present something new, something extremely different every once in a while, which is between 3 and 4 years typically.
Like its aircraft, Pipistrel's manufacturing process is also totally streamlined. It's introduced a philosophy originated by Toyota, which eliminates inefficiencies. Safety of the product is paramount. All of the assembly is done in-house and quality control is stringent. All of the parts are barcoded and so are completely traceable throughout.
Safety is first in the aircraft industry, of course. And everything must run very smoothly without big, let's say, complications. So we need to reduce them as much as possible.
Ever forward-thinking, Pipistrel prides itself on the working environment that it's created. Its factory has been recognised as the greenest building in Slovenia, bringing both environmental benefits and future-proofing the company against energy shortages.
Decided to design the factory in the way that it's completely energetically independent from renewable sources in our own place. So we don't need cable lines, so we can work from our own, to be supplied by own energy.
Pipistrel is currently reinvesting its profits in the development of a four-seater aircraft. This will require less global certification and is expected to increase the company's sales from €10 million last year to €60 million next year. And once in production, it will require the company to more than treble in size.
It's not only an evolution for us, it represents really an entry into a different world of aviation, a world that we have not been so known in for the time being, but the innovation is big enough so that we anticipate a success also with the four-seater. It's much more economic than anything else.
Pipistrel has an absolute commitment to research and development, and its long-term vision means that it values and includes all of its employees in the creative process. So it's perhaps no wonder that it's been recognised with a ruban d'honneur as an Employer of the Year by the National Business Awards.
It's not that your every idea, no matter how crazy it is bashed from the very beginning. At least there's somebody who listens to you and debates on the concept you have just come out in your brain. So it's very rewarding and it's easy to come to work every single day, day after day.
You have a power with, let's say, your vision to change the standards. For sure, this is not easy, but when you look back, you see that it was the correct way.